Well, we're at Torrance Memorial Medical Center at the new main tower project, and today, towards the end of July 2012, we want to give you an update. And we've got a big update for you. Today we're going to be taking a look at the installation of precast panels. Precast panels go on the outside of the building as part of the building skin. They're manufactured off-site and trucked here ready to install. Installation of all the precast panels will only take 20 days. Installation of the precast panels is followed by installation of the windows. Well, behind us here we have an installed precast panel, and I'm here with Preston of McCarthy Construction. He's assistant project manager on the new main tower project. And Preston, I thought you could set us straight on the fabrication of these precast panels and really what makes them so interesting.
I'd love to, Connie. Clark Pacific was the subcontractor that designed these precast panels. It's a thin shell precast system, which you can see is comprised of structural steel and then 2 1/4 inches of real concrete. And we basically started fabricating these back in October of 2011. So about 6 months of fabrication went into the panels. Our biggest panel is about 16,000 pounds and about 26 feet wide by about 16 feet tall. And basically they're setting it with a temporary connection in order for the crane to unhook and then move on to the next panel. And then about a week later, an alignment and welding crew comes through and makes the final connections.
Well, that's great. It was great to go out to Clark Pacific and watch the process with my own eyes. And I know they used a, I would call it a mold for the precast process, and they're using that mold over and over and over again. And then I also know that the architects, HMC architects, really appreciates the consistency that they get out of a precast panel.
One of the things that we did was we purchased all the sand and aggregate for the panels ahead of time so that they were all out of the same lot. And so essentially that gives us consistency, otherwise the different ranges and aggregates can provide different colors of the panels.
Well, by the time the end of the year rolls around, you're going to see big changes here at Torrance Memorial. All of the precast panels will be up, and basically the entire skin of the building will be in place. So we're looking forward to having you back and continuing to watch as we progress through the project, and we'll be updating you.